How's it going, guys? So my name is Bo Cunningham. Doing something I've never really done before. Just moved up to Utah from North Texas area for school, and I love duck hunting. I've been doing for years now, and I figured with me coming up here, complete new area, I'd make a video and document first hunt and hunts coming up after this. Yeah, so if y'all enjoy these types of videos, let me know. I'm gonna keep doing them regardless. I think I enjoy it. I think it's really cool to get as much stuff as I can done. But yeah, I'm gonna let the rest of the video start going now. But just want to let y'all know kind of what's going on and what I'm doing here. So hope y'all enjoy. So we're out here at the marsh right now. It's 6:30 right now. Just waiting in line right now. So you got about 11 hours until gates open so we can go in. Yeah, should be good. Some people don't enjoy waiting like that. I mean, you can see we got tons of trucks waiting out here right now. Some people think you're crazy for coming out 12 hours early just go shoot a few ducks, but there's really no way to explain how rewarding it is. Like when you see 50 mallard ducks coming into the spread all at once, as soon as the opens, hearing the whistles go by, I mean, there's no other feeling like it. You have to experience it to understand it, but it's amazing. There you go. I'm good. You that shit up, motherfucker. Try to fucking take this motherfucker. Worked him like a dog. they win. Double up, son. No, double up. That's a limit. Let's fucking go. So just finished up the first hunt. Started off with a pretty slow morning. It was between pretty awful shooting by me and just some of the birds just not wanting to come into the decoys. They wanted to, solos would come in, but big groups not so much, and just didn't take advantage of the opportunities I had there. But later in the day, a good storm rolled in and started flying a good bit. Started just picking them off from there. They started responding to calls way better. Whole thing just started working out kind of how it planned out to be. But amazing first hunt, I'd say, for coming from down south to hunting north. I mean, it's amazing. I mean, I'm not used to all these big ducks like this. It's insane to me. But yeah, it was great. Thought it was super fun. I can't wait to go tomorrow morning, so we'll see how we do then.